Hey guys, it's Ray here with Game, and today I'm going to be an unboxing of the Cherry keyboard, corded keyboard, JK0300 straight keyboard. Now this is, I believe, a Windows keyboard that's insanely thin. If I turn to the side right here, as you can see, it's insanely thin by Cherry. Pretty cool that they sent this out for review. And let's just get into it. Now, here we go. There's just this stuff right here. Alright, here we are. We're in. And I'm gonna have to use this with my PC if I don't, or if it doesn't work with the Mac. But let's just see how it goes. And I believe this is a plug-and-play keyboard. I didn't see this yet. That's what it looks like. Insanely thin. Let's just get on with the unboxing. And I'll probably do some tests over the course of the time I have this. Here it is. Nicely in plastic. And I believe, yeah, this is plastic. It would have been nice if they have an aluminum keyboard, but let's just see. So here we have some manuals, product warranty and stuff like that. Operating manual. You shouldn't have to use this because it is plug and play. Let's toss that to the side. Here is the main attraction. As you can see, it is a wired USB cable. Let's see how that performs. And this is incredibly thin. And you can hear how that sounds. Nicely spaced out. I like how it looks. It looks pretty cool. There we go. So please subscribe for the review of this keyboard. Looks pretty decent. It has full number pad there, everything like that. But this is for Windows, so it's going to be a little bit different if you're using it on a Mac. But let's see how that performs. Again, everything like that. It's not lighted up or anything, just has a cherry right there. Pretty cool. Let's see how this performs. Again, this is just a quick unboxing of the JK0300 straight corded keyboard by Cherry. Full product link down below, and please subscribe if you want to see the review of this product. So it's Ray with Game. Catch you guys later. Peace.